Fast charge. When used with an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger with power delivery, you can charge your iPhone to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Supported models include iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPads, and more. Certified chip. Apple MFI certified charging and syncing cable for your Apple devices with improved chipset to ensure full compatibility. High-speed data transfer, up to 480 megabits per second for transferring music, movies, and more in seconds. Durable friendly design. Built with top-rated materials and features textured grooves on connector ends for improved grip. In the box, 1 Amazon Basics Lightning cable and lifetime warranty. Connect an iPhone or iPad with Lightning connector to a computer's USB-C port for charging and syncing. The MFI certified cable instantly recognizes and safely connects to Apple devices. Damage-resistant connectors ensure a secure fit and reliable strength. The nylon braided cable has been tested to bend 90 degrees. Top reviews from the United States. My charger broke, this one is just as good if not better. Good cord. Longer than my Apple Store one. This is certified as well, so it will charge the same. Good price. My Lightning cord broke somehow and this was a good replacement. Does not come with block, but I didn't need it.